What's going on YouTube? Nerdy Aspects here coming at you with a tutorial on how to connect cross-platform via PC to Microsoft Xbox One and Sony PS4. The very first thing you need to do is go to the Epic Games website and sign in. If you don't already have an account, you absolutely need to create one in order to play cross-platform with your friends. After signing in online, you want to download the Epic Games launcher. The only way to send and receive friend requests for cross-platform play is through the launcher. The download link for the launcher should be located on the top right of your browser. Once the launcher is downloaded, you'll have to sign in one more time. I know it's a bit repetitive, but it is definitely worth it. Once signed in, you should see a friends icon at the top right of the launcher. Click on it to view and accept friend requests from players on other consoles. Now you guys are ready to play Fortnite. Once you're on the Xbox or the PS4, you won't be able to send game invites, but the PC player has the ability to freely join parties and send invites to his or her cross-platform buddies. The computer symbol next to their gamertag means that they're playing on the PC. I would assume that other consoles, as well as mobile, show different icons as well.